Is it okay if my trademark uses somebody else's trademark and then adds on to it? I'm going to answer that question in the next 4 minutes. This is Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney, and I go live here on weekdays to talk trademarks and copyrights. So if you like this video, smash the like button, share it around. Other people might find it useful. Somebody asked me yesterday, hey, is it okay to kind of add on to someone else's trademark with your own trademark? The example that we had was someone has a registered trademark for the word Kartra for software as a service, and apparently some enterprising soul out there has decided to name their product blank Kartra or Kartra blank, okay? And somebody else wanted to know, is that okay? Well, no, it is absolutely not okay, because there's a tenet, a rule in trademark law that says you cannot incorporate the entirety of someone else's trademark into your own trademark if your goods are the same or related to the goods that are named in the existing trademark. So, for example, if this person was selling some sort of online training or other online good or service, that would probably be an infringement on the Kartra trademark, because they're incorporating the entirety of the Kartra mark into their own. So I wouldn't be surprised if this person gets a cease and desist letter, I like to call them nasty grams, from the folks at Kartra saying, hey, thanks so much, we're flattered, but you can't use our trademark because we own the trademark. And just by adding on to the trademark, it doesn't make it less confusing. It makes it look like it's something that Kartra is already doing. So that would tend to confuse the consumer. And this is the reason why we don't allow this. It's because it would tend to confuse the consumer about the origin of the goods and services. A consumer might look at the something plus Kartra or the Kartra plus something and think, oh, well, that must be from Kartra because it has the Kartra trademark in it. So Kartra must just have this new thing that they're putting out. And that's the reason why we don't allow people to add on to other people's trademarks. It's because it would tend to be confusing to the consumer. And remember that the whole point of trademarks in the first place is so that consumers can positively identify the seller or provider of the goods and services so that they know the quality to expect from the goods or services. So it's a way for consumers to identify the source of the goods and services. And if marks are confusingly similar, then it's harder for the consumer to do that. I'm Angela Langlotz. I go live here to talk trademarks and copyrights. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. On YouTube, just search Trademark Doctor, and on Facebook at facebook.com/Trademark Doctor. If you have trademark questions, I will answer those on a future live. Just drop them into the comments below this video, and I will tag you when I answer.